All right, welcome back to the channel. Today we're working on the F-150. We've got a new grill we're going to put on this. This has the chrome factory grill, and I want to take this off, so I'm in the process of slowly changing the truck over to an all-black look. So I want to get rid of all the chrome, and that's what this new bumper is going to do. It's going to help get rid of that chrome. This doesn't look bad, but I think the black will look a lot better because the truck is black. In my last video, I just installed these door handle covers. They turned out pretty good. They're all black, so that was an easy project. This is going to be a little more involved. Taking this grill off isn't too bad. It's pretty easy, but I want to show you this grill that I got. So, all right, here's our new grill. Now, this is an OEM style looking grill, so it's not like a aftermarket looking grill. It might be an aftermarket part. I don't think it's an OEM grill, but it's an OEM style grill. The reason I like this one is it's all gloss black. So even like this honeycomb inside of here, gloss black. All I have to do is swap over the emblem. But what I think I want to do is I want to paint the emblem, and I think I might just paint over. I'm not going to disassemble it and paint it. I think I want to. I'm just gonna scuff it up and paint it and put it back on. I want to paint it black, so that way we get kind of that all black look on the front. So let's start working on this grill, get this front grill off. Okay, first step, we just want to make sure I have the hood popped up. There's a bunch of these little push pins here, and it's helpful to have a little tool for them. These pins here, they have a little, they have a middle portion that pushes down in, and when this is down, it expands. When this is up, it's up, so it's easy to pop them out. So there's kind of a two-stage type pin. But got all of our clips undone. Now we just need to take this off. Just remove both of these plugs here from the top of the grill. Okay, there's just a few bolts on top here, 10 millimeters. Okay, the next part, I just need to break this part loose, this little trim piece that goes between the bumper and the headlight. Once you have this top pin out, it just snaps in, and there's two bolts on the inside of the fender. You can, if you want to take it out all the way, but we just need to get it out this far because there's a bolt here. This is actually 8 millimeter. Okay, here on the driver's side, we're going to do the same thing. We're just going to pop this out. There we go. Just 8 millimeter bolt right in there. And we have another little push pin. Actually, we have push pin here, here, and here. 3 on this side. Okay, now that those bolts are off on the side, this should, you lift up on it, it comes up a little bit here. Let's see. Basically lifts out just like that. Okay, so I have the old grill laying down right here. This is the new one. I have to swap off this back portion. It's kind of like an active shuttering system where it looks like these shutters kind of close. So I need to swap that off and then get the emblem off. Looks like there's 10 millimeter bolts. Okay, at the top, there's 4 push pins. How these push pins work, you just got to pull up the middle so you can get it out here. And this pry tool is not the best, but there's 3 little ones down here at the bottom. Mine broke off. I couldn't get mine off, so there's actually 8 millimeter down in the middle. So you need a little bit of an extension to get down into the middle. See how? Okay, so this. All right, that pulls off. We're gonna put this on the new grill. First, got to get the emblem off the front. 10 millimeter. Emblem's off. All right, grill's ready to be swapped over. I'm gonna get this painted first. Okay, so on my emblem here, if you can see at the very top, there's a little crack there, and then I'm missing some of the blue right here. What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna scuff this up with a Scotch-Brite pad, go over it with a light sanding after that, and then just hit it with some black gloss, the whole thing. I'm not gonna, You can take apart the emblem and you can have, all of these different layers, and you can do, like a gloss and a matte and make it look a little better. But I think just for sake of the fact that this emblem's not in that great a shape to begin with, I want to just make it, just kind of do it quick, and I want it black. So we'll see how it looks. This will be the final sanding here. Okay, got the emblem all sanded down, 3 coats. I was able to, I just wiped it down, make sure all the grease was off of it. So now I'm painting with this. This is for plastic. It's a paint and primer together. We're going to see how this is. This is a semi-gloss. So okay, so I have the emblem painted. I have this just sitting there. I don't have the whole grill installed yet. I wanted just to kind of put it up there and see how it looked, and just kind of get some feedback. I was wondering what your guys' thoughts were, because I don't love it, honestly. I like the black emblem. I like the black grill concept, but I don't know if I like this style of grill. I'm considering like a Raptor grill, and obviously the chrome bumpers and the lights need to go. It needs different. It needs a darker headlight assembly. It needs black bumpers, black recovery hooks down below here. So I'm curious, guys, what you think. Or should I keep this grill? Should I put the original chrome one on, or should I do a Raptor grill? Those are the kind of the 3 options I'm kind of mulling around. Let me know what your thoughts are down in the comments, and I'll probably put this on just for now until I can find something else. And curious to see what other options, what other things to consider. But let me know in the comments, guys. All right, thanks for watching the video. Be sure to subscribe for more updates. Give me a thumbs up, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks.